Welcome to Session 42, the last of our targeted reviews. We sharpen the data analysis, geometry, and trigonometry patterns that cause the most avoidable mistakes. We'll choose the right denominator for conditional probability, keep inscribed angles and arcs straight, and apply similarity, unit conversion, and trig. First, conditional probability from a two-way table. The number one error is dividing by the grand total, when the words given that tell you to use only a row or a column. Given grade 11, restrict to that row of 100. 40 like math, so the probability is 0.4. But given that someone likes math, restrict to that column of 70. 40 of them, so 4/7. Same 40, different denominator. Circles next. Keep two facts apart. A central angle equals its arc, but an inscribed angle is only half the arc. And an angle inscribed in a semicircle is always 90 degrees. Here, the central angle at the center and the inscribed angle at point A both look at the same arc BC. If that arc is 120 degrees, the central angle is 120, but the inscribed angle is only 60. Similar triangles have equal angles and proportional sides. Match sides opposite equal angles, then set up a proportion. If 8 matches 6 and 12 matches EF, then 8 over 6 equals 12 over EF, giving 9. And remember, area scales by the square of the factor. A triangle of area 36 scaled by 3 becomes 324. Volume questions sometimes change units. The trap, a length factor of 12, becomes a volume factor of 12 cubed. 1,728. So, a cylinder with radius 2 feet and height 5 feet is 20 pi cubic feet. To get cubic inches, multiply by 1,728, giving 34,560 pi. Finally, trig combinations. With a hypotenuse of 26 and a 30-degree angle, the opposite side is 26 times sine 30. Sine 30 is 1/2, so the opposite side is 13. And keep the special values handy. Sine 45 plus cosine 45 is root 2 over 2 twice, which is just root 2. Your turn. An inscribed angle intercepts an arc of 110 degrees. What is the inscribed angle? Pause and recall the rule. An inscribed angle is half its intercepted arc, so just take half of 110. That's 55 degrees. Half the arc every time. Let's recap Session 42. Conditional probability uses the restricted row or column total. A central angle equals its arc, while an inscribed angle is half. Similar triangles give proportional sides, and area scales by k². For unit conversion, cube the factor. And in trig, the opposite side is the hypotenuse times sine, so know your special values. Next up, a full Module 1 simulation.